So this video today is going to be on vectors because it was highly requested. Please excuse my voice. You guys know sometimes I lose my voice. I don't even know why. But okay. So basically a vector is just another way to write a specific translation, and all vectors have an initial sign. So in this case, this would be the initial sign. And all vectors, let me make this a little bit thicker. And then all vectors also have a terminal sign. Okay, so then when you write the name of the vector, you're going to write it as the initial letter plus the plus the terminal letter. No, the initial letter and then the terminal letter. So in this case, here we have vector CD. Then you'd have to worry about horizontal and vertical components. So the first thing you want to worry about is your horizontal component, which would be your x. So I would start here where C is, and I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because I went right, it's positive 7. So my horizontal component is positive 7. Then I'd have to worry about my vertical component. And now I go 1, 2, 3. And because I went down, it's negative 3. So this is vertical component is negative 3. So then you'd write this as 7, negative 3. Okay, so that's one example. The next example, again, initial side, terminal side. So if I name this, it's going to be RT. And now I'm going to do my horizontal component. So starting from my initials, so I'm going 1, 2, and since I'm moving to the left, it's going to be negative 2. And then my vertical component, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And since I went down, it's negative 4. And then the last one, again, initial side, terminal side. So the name of this one is JP. And then again, horizontal component, vertical component. So then I would have to look at it this way. Is there any change in the horizontal direction from J to P? And the answer is no. There's no change. You see how here I could move left 2, here could move right 7. Here there's no change, so my horizontal component would be 0. However, when I'm looking at my vertical component, I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. Since I went up, that would be positive 4. So then the way that you'd use this is like if you had a triangle and they would say, translate this triangle using the vector, let's say 0, 4. Instead of having that rule where you'd have x, y, and then you'd have the rule for x would be x by itself, x stays the same, and then y would be y plus 4. This is just another way to write this. So this is called vector and component form. And that's it.